The term cytokine includes interleukins, IL for short, interferons, IFN, tumor necrosis factors, TNF, transforming growth factors, and colony-stimulating factors. These cytokines collectively activate natural killer cells, macrophages, and cytotoxic T lymphocytes. Let us discuss anti-TNF-alpha agents as they are of prime importance. Infliximab and adalimumab are humanized monoclonal antibodies against TNF-alpha. Etanercept is a recombinant molecule, TNG receptor coupled to the Fc domain of a human IgG molecule. These drugs bind TNF-alpha and inhibit its pro-inflammatory effects. They are used in the treatment of patients with active rheumatoid arthritis who have failed to respond to at least 2 DMARD, usually in combination with methotrexate. They are also used in Crohn's disease, psoriatic arthritis, and psoriasis. Infliximab is given by intravenous infusion every 8 weeks. Adalimumab and etanercept are given subcutaneously. Anti-TNF drugs increase susceptibility to infection and to reactivation of tuberculosis. Other adverse effects include nausea, hypersensitivity reactions, and blood disorders. Anti-IL-1 agents. Anakinra is a monoclonal anti-IL-1 antibody. It can be used in rheumatoid arthritis, but anti-TNF drugs are preferred because they are more effective. So this brings us to the end of the lecture. We have talked about 6 different classes of immunosuppressants and their role in allograft and autoimmune diseases. Stay tuned to sqadia.com for interesting pharmacology lectures.